Hello, welcome to part 91. So I started recording the search function implementation of search functionality, and after 5 minutes I remember that in our properties we have these guest, bedroom, beds, bathroom count also, and we haven't added any form for that. So we'll quickly make this change in our edit as well as add form. So let's go to our edit form in our code. Let's go there, views, owner, properties, edit. Okay, so now the good thing is that form is something that we have been using, so it will make things a bit more easy for us. uh, Property name, after name I will, sorry, I think I have gone in profile. Yes, dashboard, properties, edit. So after property name, headline, description, we can have bed count, bedroom count, these kind of things. So let's go ahead and work on that. So for that, this is 4, address 2 is 4, address 2 is 4, and this is 2. That means total is 6. So what I'll do is 3333, maybe something like that. Yeah, let's copy this, paste it here, use 3, and let me go to our model, property. We haven't mentioned the bedroom and all those things, right? Because we haven't validated that. So I think we might validate that. Let me first implement the functionality. Seeds, schema, properties, guest count, bedroom count, bed count, bathroom count. Okay. Guest count, bedroom count. Let me start with guest count and bedroom count first. Guest count, bedroom count, sorry, and it should be form rails number field. Okay, let's use this number field. Let's try it once and see how it works. Refresh, and we can make this change. Maybe let me check bedroom count, bedroom count, bedroom count. Yeah, bed count and bathroom count. Next, again copy these two. Bed count and what's next? Bathroom count. Let's see how it looks. Refresh, and we have these values are appearing. That means it is working. Let's increase this to 6. Let's increase this to, yeah, 3 is fine. And bathroom count, let's increase this to 3 and save this. This was property 1, so let's go to properties 1, and in that we can see 10.3. okay, it was not updated because we will have to permit them, right? So let's go to controller, properties controller, no, owner, properties controller, and in this we will have to permit them. So after description, let's start. Bedroom count, bed count, bathroom count, guest count. Yep, let's refresh, go back, and here 10, 4, 6, 3, save, go to properties 1, and it is updating. So now let's focus on adding it. So in adding it also it should work because we are using property params in create as well as this. So you see, it makes things really easy. Like once you have to set up things, but after that it becomes really easy. Let's add a quick property quickly. This. It is coming 0 by default because in our database we have mentioned it that the default value is 0. That's why. Now this is property number 9, right? So properties, and we have these details 10, 5, 10, 5. I'm not sure if I wrote something else. Yes, it was 10, 5, 10, 5. Great. So yeah, it works great. And that's it for this video. And next we will start with search. Thank you. Bye bye.